So we're gonna go ahead and put some chicken on this Thor grill, guys. If you saw my unboxing, you know exactly what this is and what we're doing. I'm gonna put the link down below. If you didn't see it, be sure and check it out. So we're gonna do it on the back of my tailgate to show you just how well this works. So Greg, will you show them how the legs work?
Yeah, so it's a little bit high maybe for you. It's not for me, it doesn't bother me, but it does have some foldable legs on it, so you can fold the legs under. Just get it a little bit lower.
So it's adjustable.
Yeah, now it's a little bit lower, and if you look down and see it's still resting, so it's not going to be burning anything. So it's still usable with the legs folded, which just lowers it down, you know, a few more inches for somebody who may not be as tall.
Okay. Lit right up, guys. So we're gonna give this the tailgate test. I've got it on high, guys, because I'm gonna see how the thermometer works. And it's moving, it's a moving. And it's pretty windy, guys. And you know, there's times that we have problems with these burners going out when we used to have a gas grill. And right now, this seems to be protected and doing quite well. And we'll take the wind right now. I have my chicken breast all seasoned up, guys. Now I'm doing this earlier in the day for dinner tonight because it's just gonna flat be too hot this afternoon, and so I'm gonna go ahead and cook our dinner now so I can show you how well this thing works. All loaded up. Now I'm gonna close it up and we're gonna see how this thing cooks. I'm tailgating in my own yard, and I think I'm liking it. Looking good so far, guys. And I put my hand up under here and the bed of my truck is not even hot. I have to say, this is very nice, guys. It's still kind of cool this morning. The sun is starting to come out, but I'm enjoying being outside for once with all this heat that we've had. So this chicken's not gonna be much longer. It's looking really great. I think what I would use this for mainly is hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, and salmon. Me and Pop love salmon. Now we seasoned it up with some homemade paprika that Greg made from our garden, a little bit of seasoned salt and some salt and pepper. But this is really nice that I'm able to sit outside and enjoy this right now. It's looking really great, guys. That's the wrap, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it in and I'll put it in the refrigerator after it cools down for our dinner tonight. And we might have a little bit of fried okra with it and maybe some fresh spinach. Just in time. The sun's coming out and it's getting heated up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and go check out the link I put below so that you can see us unboxing it, and also check out the link below that if you're interested in getting one of these groovy new grills. Thank you.